Good afternoon, welcome back to my winter camp. Long story short, I'm setting up a new camp location about a half mile from here. So pretty soon I'm going to be packing up a sled full of supplies and some basic materials for getting this new camp started. I want to get there and back before dark, so I got to get moving. And the reason why I chose today is I don't have a lot of time, and we're supposed to get a bunch of snow tonight, and I want that snow to cover up my tracks. We're going to dip down to about minus 35 tonight and minus 42 tomorrow night. So there's no way I'm spending the night here. So before I pack up and leave, my first priority is to get a fire going and warm up. It is bloody cold out there today. Really feeling it on my hands every time I have to take my gloves off. Alright, I'm all ready to pack up my sled. I just built this toolbox. Things like rope so the animals don't chew it up. Got some rope, 4-foot crosscut saw, a grill, my old stove, stovepipe, hatchet. I will bring my axe some other time, but just for now, just a hatchet. And one thing I couldn't find was a 15 by 30 tarp. It's one thing I need yet. So I'm going to pack all this on my sled, wrap it in this little piece of tarp, tie it all down, and make my way out. And it's going to be a royal pain in the butt. Lots of deadfall, hills. Not going to be fun. Alright, my sled is packed. Hopefully everything stays put. Tied it up really good. So now I'm just going to stoke my fire, turn down my stove, and hopefully it's still going when I get back. So I finally made it. You can see my sled just over there. Nice hill. I tried going up the hill, but it's just not going to happen today. But I'm thinking about setting up my shelter at the top. Comes down to a little plateau right here. Then it drops down again to another flat area. Right along there, that's where the creek goes. So when there's quads and snowmobiles out here, they will be going right by there. So it's a bit closer, but that's okay. And one day I'll come out here, just explore a bit more, see if I can find a better location. But there's all kinds of dead fallen trees. Lots of firewood. I had to stop and build a fire. My hands are just freezing. My original plan was to unpack my sled, bring it back to camp, so I could still haul firewood. But it's getting kind of late and I just don't feel like doing it. And the reason why I'm starting a second location is I just need a change of scenery. It'd be nice to have a backup camp, and I love to explore new areas. I really haven't been in this area too much before. So this new camp, will this be occasional use? I won't be coming out here too often. And this location isn't accessible during the spring. When this creek breaks up, there's no way I could make it out here unless I built a bridge or something. As much as I don't want to leave this nice warm fire, I know it's just going to keep getting later and darker. I'll have a hell of a time getting back to camp. This is a nice fire though. While I'm at my trail cam, I might as well swap SD cards out, have a look. I am tired and cold. My mouth is frozen. There's my supper for tonight. Garlic sausage with melted cheese and onion on some bread. Well, I'm finally starting to warm up. Got the stove blazing. Just relaxing now with a pipe, some hot chocolate. I think I had a pretty productive day. I know it probably doesn't seem like it, but a rough one out there. Very cold. A lot of people don't realize this, but this camp was originally supposed to be mobile. You put your tarp, your stove, axe, saw, and some rope on a sled, and you could tow it anywhere. All right, I am done for the day. See, it's starting to snow again, which is good. Help cover up my tracks. Next time I come out here, I will hopefully have a tarp for my new shelter. And it might be a while before I come out here again. We're going to be getting really busy at work. Come on, light, don't fail me now.